How to play Squid Game Season 3 on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about playing Squid Game Season 3 on Roblox. So first, you need to find and join the game. So in the Roblox search bar, you need to type in Squid Game Season 3 and look for the experiences like Season 3 Squid Game or Season 3 Squid Game by Trendsettler Games. And install Roblox if you haven't already and click on join to play to enter the game. Now let's discuss about game modes and mini games. Season 3 features classic mini games with a twist, such as red light, green light, tug of war, plus new challenges like jump rope, monkey bars, jack and jill. These mini games rotate as you advance through the rounds. So you need to go ahead and follow the rules of each game. For example, stay still when required, and breaking the rules results in the elimination. Form temporary alliance during the breaks, but be cautious about trusting others for too long. Understand the mechanics of each game. For example, in jump rope, time your jumps carefully to avoid mistakes, and use standard Roblox first-person controls. WASD for movement, spacebar to jump, mouse to look around, and pay attention to the on-screen prompts during the mini games for timing cues. If you die, you will either respawn or spect, depending on the game mode. So if you're playing the official Netflix-backed Squid Game, which is the final games, you can redeem codes for free own, which is in-game currency, skins, and power-ups. Go to the in-game menu, find the redeem code option, enter the valid code, and click on redeem to claim your rewards. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.